here, Rasta.
Yeah, man. Don't know what it is today. We're rolling from the river. One more great dog today again. Yeah, man, we're active. We're active.
Yes guys, welcome back Caribbean Vibes Cooking. Viewers and subscribers. But I see a feeling here. Where is it? Eh? I also. Yeah man, welcome back to another great Sunday. Yeah.
I'm on the out, man.
God be the glory. Welcome back to Caribbean Vibes Cooking. Big up to Chrissy, Cambrina, Junior, Raleigh, everybody, Caribbean Vibes, flipping world. So today, dip on the vlog today again, my people. You know, a nice sweet corn rice, some king crab, coconuts, curry king crab today. Yeah, beautiful location. Water flow nice. Yeah, I like to spot this off for today, you know? They are explore the place. Find one cave. What is the underground cave with water run through it. I did it on record cause I da try go down there, but if I go down I don't have like it well deep. So I don't have no way how to come up back, so I never bother go down there. Courage. Is that? Because the skin right now is scratch. Swear I call it. Courage. Yeah, so today some coconut curry, king crab. And break them up in small pieces. Well, still have strength, boy. Yeah, I wash them off with some vinegar. And if I crab, right, bust me hand. The bun in all in the name of content, you know. Yeah guys, so Rasta cut up the seeds now. And I tell you a while ago I crack the crab shell and the shell slice in middle of my hand, guys.
Yes,
And
please.
I tell you so, right now, it's like you can't stop bleed. Right now, ice me have in my hand right now, see that? Ice me I try to say me
You know, we can't make that stop showing us, so we gotta do what we have to do.
Yeah.
So now get the ground season them cut up to seize up the crab. Mm-hmm. There, man. Now make a look cut stop, you know.
Yeah.
But we still can't work.
Yeah, so me I go just add the season, add a little cloves, pimento seed, add some ginger, garlic, fresh scallion, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme. So I go add some garlic powder. And I go add some seafood season. I go add some fish season. All-purpose season. So I go add some curry powder.
After washing off my hand, I'll get the season them rub in our crab. Rub in the season. There's a crab good enough. That's small. King crab. And a land crab, sea crab. Oh, I can smell the flavor. King crab. I ain't ready yet. Oh my word. Yes, I'll get a taste. That's everything you want to cook. You'll leave it marinate, you know. Yeah. The rice pot. We're adding some salt. Yes, Jamaican, you know we don't use measuring cup or measuring spoon. Just, you know, you're adding some pimento seed. Add a half stick of butter. Some crushed scallion, 1 onion, bell pepper, thyme, and garlic. I'll get a stir now. So we'll cook some sweet corn rice. I'll leave this to boil up. As soon as it boil up, we add in the rice. I'll get in the rice and I'll have to cook. Sweet corn rice.
Yeah, but pull up in here.
So here we can see we can beat the rain. Get the fire blazing. See if we can beat the rain.
Yeah, I add in some fresh garlic, ginger, scallion. I will add some curry. So the thing about when cooking coconut curry, you have to make sure you add right amount of curry to burn, because the coconut milk will overpower your curry and make it weak. So you have to add adequate amount in it. Add some pumpkin. The pumpkin now I will help it thicken the sauce with the curry crab. Add in the crab. That's so good, my people. All of the juice, everything will go back in on it. Now wait. Yeah. Now go like me strong. Ah. Pot a rock. All these pot them a rock. So I'll add some coconut milk. We have a cover, you know.
Yes, peeps. Let's do it now, so I'll add in the sweet corn right now.
Share the rice, man.
Add in the sweet corn. The store. Yeah, we have a re-seasoning crab now. Add piece more fresh thyme. One onion, Irish, bell pepper, scallion, and the next pepper. Come on. King crab we say today. Yes, Gita store.
What is it?
You want to know something I use blood clot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not use it because I'm not tough like I.
Watch it, man. Peeps we need today, yes, sir. King crab. Oh my word. Sweet corn rice.
Rain or fall.
Rain or fall.
I will roll up a canvas.
Yes, man. Always prepare the peeps. Always prepare. Yeah, man, so I'll leave that and make it season cook. So now the seasoning cook, you ready? Yes, peeps, you can see, watch it. Pretty little place. But there, man.
That's the same way I jump off.
Rain or fall. You know, I kind of eat it, so I'm going to cool off. You know, I put in the fire, second down to ship a boat to come a boat land. So we're there. I want to take a nice little view of it. Little stream. There, man. Fully active.
No, we are finding nice because hard away location and a nice little river and spring them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just go and put in the work, guys. Thanks to everybody who support the Caribbean vibes.
I know we water nice, you know. So let's see rain fall. I go on there bottom and cut back.
Yeah.
Man, water. Nice.
So place mash up. Berry left 90% I 3 them drop.
Yeah.
Yeah, my people. Look at that cat bus, I wait for the pot. Yeah, I wait for the crab. And there's a hungry is a boy, and me right now, I swear.
Yeah.
Yeah, but good man, God is good. Man is good. God is good, my people. There's so many things going on right now when you come on the Caribbean vibe. I'm doing the best content them when it come on to outdoor, authentic, adventure. We're still in a learning process. As I always say, any one of my followers them, any content one I want to shoot, drop in a comment section, man, and we will definitely get the content out here, because we don't do it for ourselves alone, we do it for the wider market, so people can enjoy and see how Caribbean vibes, how we go through and execute through it, we are cooking. Yeah, and collab, it's in the making. We just keep it real and just keep on grow the channel. Yeah, before we even think about reach out to some bigger YouTuber, because to be honest, a bigger YouTuber now going to give a small YouTuber no strength. Yeah, because I'm not going to say nothing in it for him, because that's how people think. Yeah. So we just keep on grow our platform till we reach where we want it to reach. Yeah, man. Yeah. Shit done. More than this, Rasta?
Oh, that good. Should finally come ashore. The things that we're doing, That's the way we have to do.
Keep more than this. Man, the pumpkin make it very thick. Yeah, look at easy put it on the plate with everything huge. Everything huge. Yeah, everything come on. One more of it?
What else we do for the rice?
Yeah.
Well, let's go talk. Boy, when food nice. When food nice. King crab. Cook with pumpkin and coconut milk. Oh, God.
Thick. Thick. You can see richness.
I tell you, please. Nice. And the rice with the sweet corn. Nice. I mix it, gravy with the rice, combine. Nice. Yeah, peeps, we need to try. King crab, cook down the coconut milk with pumpkin, and sweet corn with white rice. Yeah, man. I put it on my nose around. Yeah.
Take time no one.
Peeps, no need for this. So my food I can eat one time, I eat 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, yeah. Oh my God. Yes, please, no need to try, man. King crab. I first made it. And look what you me live I was more. A sea crab and a land crab. Yeah, man, nice, man. Let me go and enjoy my food.
Oh, you catch me when I almost done, man.
Yeah.
There's several ways how to prepare the crab, the king crab. You can pick out the flesh out of the shell and curry it. And choose to curry it in the shell. No, because it's time consuming. Because the time of pick out it, it'll take a long period of time to pick out it. So like one day pick out it, one day to cook it. But I tell you.
You get a sweet to eat in a shell.
Yeah. I tell you man.
I miss lobster. You have a taste
Nice guys.
You have a taste of lobster and you have a taste of shrimp.
Seafood.
That's right.
Yeah. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Yeah. I'm hungry now, you. Nah, tell no lie. Hungry, man.
Yeah, man, I know a jail, man. Yes, man.
Yeah.
King crab partner.
Tell you,
Full of flesh, you know.
Man, love me, make me eat my food, man.
Tell her.
Sit down.
I ain't my food, brother. You have to sit down. That's man. My food, my nose are run like when I'm a young baby. Get it. You bone a crack. Shell, I'm a bone, shell. Yeah, Pete, so do you done now? We put on the canvas.
Dear.
You done?
Yeah, even though. Yeah, right, the done. Just cut out this one, remember say wish the scratch.
Okay. So we just put on the canvas now and fold it up. And line up ourselves. Drive the way I come. Our next great Sunday again.
Mosquito them are moving, you know.
Yeah. Come over there, please. Get a little bit of rain, not too much. So now we have to always chop up. Look how we get.
Just dry string, just dry. Just dry. Yeah.
I like saying you just dry like shoes based on the pool. Let's see.
All people, we catching them. Catching in the next video. That one.
Remember I drill, man. I know I drill. Like, share, and comments to the big bad camera. Let's see you next video.